Hey guys, so this is the 2023 Forester MBS. There are two different floor plans by that, the 2401B and the 2401T. Both are on the Mercedes-Benz chassis with the diesel engine underneath the hood. Three different color options on these, the standard white, pewter, which is a gray, and obsidian black. Awesome floor plans by Forester. All of them are on a dually axle and can tow about 5,000 pounds with the hitch. All of them have a outside entertainment option, plenty of storage underneath. Let's take a walk inside real fast to see what you can see on the inside. Of course, with these Forester MBSs, you're going to get this beautiful Mercedes-Benz chassis, cab over bunk with the TV that rotates around. This beautiful inside with the Forester solid surface countertops. The T model is going to have a Murphy bed, big bathroom, of course, in these. Awesome floor plans in here. Check both of them out and give us a call at RV Wholesalers.